Spotify is raising its prices for a lot of its plans.
Ooh.
Are you in or out? What are you going to do?
I don't have Spotify.
No, you're already out.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm done.
U.S. subscribers will see a hike to family plans, and UK and Europe are getting a hike on a lot of other plans. It's not by a ton of money. Spotify Family is going from $14.99 to $15.99. And in the UK, student pricing goes up from £4.99 to $5.99. Two-person subscription goes up $1 as well. Family goes up $2 in that market. European Union, similar situation. We've got, what is it? Oh, one of them, student and duo both go, okay, so there's all a couple of bucks either way. And, look, listen, look, they got 150 million subscribers. That's the word. That's kind of a number.
Yeah.
150 million?
It's no joke.
Paying? No. Paying or not paying? Paying? 150 million subscribers. More than 150 million subscribers. I mean, a subscriber is paying, right? 345 million total monthly active users, 150 million subscribers. At that amount of money, the average revenue per user is around $5.13. $5 per user, 150 million users. I don't need to tell you.
Well.
A few dollars at play. Anyway, they went out and spent all that money. They went and got the likes of Rogan and who else they get? I don't know. They got the sports, Bill Simmons. Did they get Oprah or something? Or Kim Kardashian and Michelle Obama? I can't. They got a lot of people.
Sure.
And they spent hundreds of millions of dollars. And you know how you pay that off, Willie Do?
Subs.
Just up the fee, $1.
Yeah.
$1 across 150 million subscribers. You know what that is? It's $150 million.
There you go. Simple maths.
Isn't that a great business? You just $1. We need 150 million. Well, you got 150 million users. $1 should increase it.
Yeah. Why not?
Perfect. That's the beauty of having such a huge subscriber base. Now, obviously, it could backfire. People could bail.
Yeah.
Apparently, there's going to be a little leeway. They're going to get some time to decide. But, yeah, Spotify goes up in price.